In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DSers AliExpress on Shopify. First, you'll install the DSers app on your Shopify store. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin with the account that has app installation permissions. In the left-hand menu, open Apps and use the search bar to look for DSers. When you find the DSers app, open its detail page and click Install. Shopify will prompt you to authorize the app. Click Install App again to complete authorization. A quick tip: if you run into permission issues, make sure you're logged in with a store owner or staff account that allows app installs, and that any pop-up blockers are disabled during the process. After the app is authorized, you'll be taken to DSers Setup page where you can create or connect your DSers account. You can register a new DSers account using your Shopify email, or sign in with an existing DSers account if you already have one. Once signed in, DSers will link to your AliExpress account automatically. If that automatic link doesn't happen right away, ensure you're signed into AliExpress in the same browser session, because DSers uses that connection to match accounts. This connection lets DSers import orders and suppliers, so you can place orders on AliExpress without manual entry. With DSers connected, you're ready to import products from AliExpress. From the DSers dashboard, search for items you want to sell and import them into DSers. You can also use the DSers Chrome extension to import products directly from AliExpress while browsing product pages. The extension makes importing faster and preserves product variations. Before you push any product to Shopify, take the time to edit details inside DSers. Refine the product title and description to match your store's voice, verify and adjust variants like sizes and colors, and set your pricing so it covers costs and desired margins. Use clear, SEO-friendly titles and make sure images are high quality. When everything looks right, click Push to send the product to your Shopify store. After pushing, open the product page in Shopify to confirm images, pricing, inventory settings, and the product URL. It's a good practice to preview the product in your storefront to check layout and descriptions before promoting it. That's the full process. Install DSers on Shopify, create or connect your DSers account, and import and push products from AliExpress. Follow these steps and you'll have products flowing into your store smoothly.